There's a very senior guy. When I say he was kind of president, vice president in his company, and he got retired, right? And if a vice president retires, of course, he will have a good amount of money to buy a house, isn't it? Right? It's interactive. If you don't respond, I'll take a pause there, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Yeah, he'll have
Yes,
good
Puneet.
amount of money, right? So he buys a very palatial house, and he moves to that housing society, and he owns a flat. Now think about a vice president having, 5 6 BHK he bought, and a very beautiful house, right? Now he considered himself so big, right? That he's a vice president. Only few people had such a big villa in the society. He's one of those, and he hardly used to talk with anyone. So with his ego and chest out, he will just roam around, right? So even while walking in the society, so whenever anyone used to see him, he used to ignore. So he was with full of that ego, so because of course he was a vice president, still that even though he had retired, but he was aware how what kind of respect he was getting, right? So one day he somehow, it transpired that he was sitting in the garden, posh garden, and an elderly person comes and sits beside him, and he starts conversation with him. And um, and what elderly guy observes that this guy is never allowing him to speak, because he has so many stories to tell, right? I was vice president, I used to manage thousands of people, I used to manage this much of revenue, and this and that and whatnot, right? So all the conversation were mostly a monologue, you understand, right? So it's just a one-way conversation. So elderly guy, he wanted to, but he was not able to speak anything. Yeah. So basically he always used to say about what great life he has lived, and uh, it was his pet topic that nobody can imagine how big post I was on, how high position I used to hold, right? And just that I got retired, people don't understand, they don't respect me, but these guys don't know at what level I was. Just that there was a compulsion, otherwise I would have bought a bigger house, right? This is nothing, this is a very small villa, just 5 bhk is nothing for me. So and elderly person, बेचारा poor आदमी था, वो बोलता okay, okay sir, okay, that's fine, he's anyway not going to allow me to speak. So what to speak? So finally after some days, elderly person, it's been time and he wanted to speak something, and finally he says, you know what, after retirement, hear this clearly guys, he says after retirement we all are fuse bulbs. so, so,
Right. 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 Right.
so he surprised, what fuse bulbs? So see, it does not matter what a bulb's wattage was. It could be 10 watt, it could be 100 watt, it could be 200 watt. If it is fuse, it's fuse. It's of no use, right? So, so this guy becomes very angry. What the kind of example is giving here? So, but now elderly guy was happy and got a chance. He shut, and he went continued. He said, "I have been living in this society for almost 5 years, and I've been told. So I've never told you that I was actually a member of parliament for 2 terms." So he says, okay. So this elderly guy, he says, I was a member of parliament for 2 terms. Now I got retired. And you know what? The Verma ji, who is your neighbor, he was general manager in Indian Railways. And then there's a Singh Saab, right, who is one floor above you. So he was CEO of that IT company. And then that other guy, Mr. Sharma, he was major general in the army. And but today, all are fuse bulbs,
All are fused.
right? So so basically even that person you see that person who is sitting on the bench with a spotless white dress, he is Mehraji, who was the chief of ISRO, but before retirement. He also didn't reveal to anyone, and just he moves on here and there like a fuse bulb, right? So challenge is all fuse bulbs are same, whatever the wattage is, doesn't matter now, right? And does it matter whether it was LED or CFL or halogen or decorative, right? Or just for the sake of it? Does it matter? No, right? Or what do
No.
you
Fuse is
say?
fuse. Fuse
No.
is fuse.
No.
Fuse is fuse.
No.
Everything
No.
is
Yeah.
fused, right?
Yes. Baseline.
Yeah, it's baseline. Everyone is on the same position, right? So rising sun as well as the setting sun are both beautiful and adorable, isn't it? Right? But in reality, what happens? Rising sun, who gets more importance?
Rising sun.
Rising sun gets more importance, right? And mostly even worshipped also, right? But the rising sun is worshipped, right? Setting sun is okay, it's good for scenic and all those things, but nobody worships setting sun, right? So he said it's better to understand this sooner than later, because you are also a fuse bulb, right? So our current designation, title, power are so impermanent, right? So we might be having so much of emotion with our identity that I am vice president, I'm director, I'm project manager, I'm software engineer, you know, I am whatnot. But the challenge is we all are moving towards that becoming fuse bulb. So what is the moral of the story, guys? Let me hear from you guys. What is the moral of this story?
Moral of the story is that work on yourself rather than working for somebody else, and invest as much as you can invest in your personal growth, your identification in society or in your surroundings,
Very
rather than not leveraging yourself. We are definitely uh, serving others rest of whole of our life. So
Mhm.
rather than that, realize your potential, leverage it, and work on yourself for
Very
yourself.
nice. Very nice. So what you mean to say, Vartika, is somewhere, I think there was one session by Vijay also, right, where he asked, write 2 lines about yourself, right? And the identity was coming from this fuse bulb only, right? I am
Mhm.
I am a software engineer, so I'm technical lead. You're nothing beyond that,
we
right?
are we are fuse bulbs right now. It's not a joke about age. It's not a joke about age. It's a joke about life reality. Like, as a software engineer, we have no social life, so that kind of credibility or that kind of respect in social equity, we will never be able to achieve. Even though if we'll become CEO of our company, we will be respectable to our company employees only. Others will be our rivals, or either they will don't even
Right.
care.
And only
You
till the time you are there. Only till the time. Anyway, we have to retire, right? After 40, 50 years, 60 years, right? Even if you are the same company, also the moment you retire, you're gone, right? Very nice
Yes,
message,
yes.
Vatika. Anyone else want to share their understanding of this story?
Yeah, I think
Yeah, it's like, yeah, go ahead, Ashish.
Divya, your camera is off, looks like.
Yes, I think there is some issue.
Okay, no problem, no problem. No problem. Go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah, my understanding is like we never want to feel like lesser than any rich man, and we never want to feel like we are bigger than bigger.
Exactly. Very nice. Very nice. No, that's a nice message. That's a moral message. But I just want to understand from our life perspective, how many of you want to live like the fuse bulb? How many of you want to be called as a fuse bulb in the retirement? Right. That's a very nice message. That's a moral message that you gave. But from the practical purpose, I wanted to understand what did you get? Yeah. Anything else? Anyone else?
Yeah. Yeah. I want to tell about one thing. Like, uh, like I've seen my father, right? So once he got retired, so he got some other. I mean, he doesn't want to be idle, so he always active. Like he want to do something or other thing. So he got one another, like after retirement job, where he spent some time. Then after few days, like that guy was not behaving properly. I mean, because he's so senior and he has a lot of experience. uh, yeah, I mean, so eventually what happens, he left. I mean, no money he was not giving properly, and asking him a lot of work to do. And then he started doing some social activity. He is more onto social activity. So he started doing some social activity. but I mean, he was helping the senior citizens in police station. So that also, uh, those police guys, they were not respecting in the sense. I mean, my father was putting a lot of effort for. I mean, he was doing just free of cost because he wanted to do something, right? So they said, sir, हम आपको बुला लेंगे जब जरूरत होगा. Then my father said, what you will call me? You have not appointed me, and I'm not going to come from tomorrow. Hell with your office. And then he scolded him and then come back in the police station.
Yeah.
I mean, what I found is like my father is so much enthusiastic to do some work, right? To be engaged with something, but now he's not getting that proper work, some other work to do, right?
Right.
He has some identity in society, but he is not engaged. So what I want from my life is I want to be engaged till the last breath. I
Amazing.
mean, the similar thought, right? So if we keep on focusing a lot on our job, that will not take us long, right?
Exactly. Very nice.
So
And I think even job gives us salary for 8 hours, right? It doesn't,
right,
our bosses and our companies want us to be efficient in that 8 hours. Not that you stretch that 8 hours to 12 hours, 14 hours, and not see, we are not serious at any of those time, right? Work on those time, but what you're doing beyond that, right? That becomes really important. Are you creating some legacy of yourself? Right?
right,
Are you creating your identity? Are you waiting for you to get retired and create a new identity? Right?
yeah,
Let's say you are a vice president of a company, you are a director of a company. Now when you retire, anyway that is going to go away from you, the designation, right? Then
mm,
what? Then what you would like to be called? Right? A retired software engineer or a fuse bulb? Right? So or you want to be called a guy who has impacted thousands of life, maybe a guy who has developed a personality at a level where he can impact so many people, right? Amazing. Very nice message, Sarvajit. So, anyone else want to share their learnings with this story?
So I think Sarva covered almost everything. Like the identity, if it's coming only out of the profession, then later on it will create a problem for us, because the moment we come out of our job or our profession, we suddenly have that void to fill in. Like, okay, where I should go now, where I should create some legacy for me or some kind of identity, so that it can be carry forward by my, maybe through by my kids or my upcoming generations, right? And that void, actually, that void haunts us when we, as soon as we come out of our job or a profession, maybe out of entrepreneurship or business, that void starts haunting us. Like, okay, now where I should go, where I should sit in some society, or what kind of work I should take up now.
Exactly.
So if we try to find out that answer to that void, which we are going to see after a few years when we are going to retire, then I think we can make it at least some point where we can, we will not face that exactly that same word, but we can somehow make ourselves more capable, maybe after getting retired also.
Exactly.
So
Very nice. So as I think Vijay covers this every time, right? So somewhere, and Vijay covers this with a full passion, right? The way he says, I think the passion goes inside you, right? When he says this very clearly, that somewhere either you will have to work, you will have to live your life, or live somebody else's life, right? If you're living somebody else's life, sometime or other they will snatch that life from you, right? You can't be working with any company at 75 and 80 years of age, right? It cannot go beyond 55 or 60, right? Amazing. Very nice. Anyone else want to add their thought on the story?
And this is, yes, sir. I just want to add one thing. This is happening for the girls most of the time, because after they married,
Very nice.
after the kids, ladies are quitting their jobs, then they lose their identifications. So after that, they think that I need some identifications. Then they start doing other things, as in they're improving their skills. This is more, as I saw that most of this is struggles from the ladies only, sir. I
Very
saw
nice.
many live example on this.
Very nice. I keep seeing that. I was discussing with Sunanda's friend last week, and she has worked. She has a very nice experience, almost 15 20 years of experience in IT, and I don't say it excuses. People are genuine about their leaving the job for their kids, for their husband, and all. But as you rightly said, then what the hell? Basically, your child will grow and they will not even see how far we are able to take care of our parents. Only if something is there, only then we'll go back. Otherwise, we all are busy in our life. And this is the next generation. They are not even going to, get check with us again how you're living or not, right? They have a completely different, even if that is not there, even if they might love you and all that, right? But we have to understand why are we creating a dependency on them. So basically today I am being so I'm not serious about my own career, my own growth, that I have spent everything on my child, and then I expect him also that you also do something for me, right? Somewhere that expectation starts coming. So that's so important, Sindhu, that for girls, for women, it's even more important to focus on their identity, right? Housewife is a more difficult work, I think. If I'm just working at a house, I think it's not easy, it's even more difficult. But then what kind of identity I'm getting out of it? Every other guy can become every other girl can become a housewife, right? Then what is the uniqueness in that, right? Why can't I work on my strengths? Why can't I? And we all have that strengths, right? God has given that unique strengths in each of us. Something what Vartika can do, I can't do. Something what Sindhu can do, I don't have that thing in me. All of you has something unique inside you, right? But we are not even focusing there. The focus is on, if I'm focusing just on caring my child, which is important, but not giving everything to them only, right? So when I hear such cases where they say that,
Exactly.
okay, we have left everything, and inside they're not very happy. That's amazing, amazing, Sindhu. That's a very important thing. I think creating that identity for girl is, even for every human being, is important. But somewhere in our culture we forget that. Very nice, very very good example. Anyone else want to add anything to this?
I think one more point I want to add is the dreams also, like which Vijay used to say that every 5 years you should, I mean, you set a goal and then you have a bigger dream. So a dream actually keep us running, right? And it's only not only to have a dream, we should have some tools also ready so that we can fulfill all those our dreams, right? If we don't have money, if we don't have resources to fulfill those dreams,
Right.
then it's not meaningful, right? So we should have dreams so that will keep us running.
Very nice, very nice, very nice thought. So make sure from today's you have a fuse bulb at your home and keep watching it, right? Keep watching. हमेशा देखते रहो उसको कि ये fuse bulb. I am not going to become like this fuse bulb, right? I am not that fuse bulb. I am that active bulb who is going to, rather, even if I am so मेरा सपना ये है कि even if I get old, even then I should be able to support my child like anything. Even if he becomes a millionaire or billionaire, even then he should come to me for my support, right? So why can't we become like that? Why can't we think beyond our own kids and families, right? Why can't we support thousands of families? Why can't we help thousands of kids who don't have any parents, or they're completely, right, nobody is there to support them, right? So there are so many things as a human we can do. We all have same potential, right? So we should always ask these two questions, I think, every year, every month. It's a new year which is about to come. Am I doing justice to my potential? Right? Why this unlimited potential is there? To always realize that, am I doing justice to my potential? Am I meant only to become a housewife? Am I meant to only become a employee? Right? Am I, have God given me, वो कहते हैं ना हिंदी में, they are saying कि 84,000 योनियों के बाद ये योनि मिलती है. After 84,000, I don't know what they say in yoni in English, 84,000 lives, we get this one life of a human life. Why we want to waste that, right? So why can't we reach to our potential? If you're not reaching to our potential, that's a big problem. The first question I can ask myself is, am I reaching to that potential? Second is, year after year, in how many lives am I becoming useful, right? In how many more lives am I becoming useful? अगर ये दो क्वेश्चन हम पूछते रहे ना हमेशा कि am I going to my potential, am I moving towards my potential, whatever I can do, am I at least moving step by step there? And second step is, am I becoming useful for more and more people? The moment we have these two thoughts, we will make this world beautiful, right? I think we are exactly doing this thing in book club and PIM and all these places, right? The moment we share these good things, we share this good quotes. So you, all of you shared so many good thoughts, good insights, which is already live on Facebook. I'm sure people will see, and somewhere they will get impacted, right? and that's what we want to do. And from, if you start it from today, you will create a brand of your own. We still have, nobody is too old here, right? We all have 10-15 years in our hand, right? Not, कोई है क्या, कोई 50 साल का तो नहीं है यहाँ पे, nobody is 50 years, right? So we have still 10-15 years in our hand. In 10-15 years, think about it, you can do anything that you want. Just that small steps should keep happening. Are you doing go live every week? Are you reading books every week, right? Are you preparing your speeches on time every week, right? Are you connecting with your coach and trying to hear from their mind how they are doing so many great things, right? Can I also contribute there? For example, Ashish is doing go lives. He's helping so many people, right? If he's your coach, are you going back to him, right? Similarly, whosoever is your coach, are you going back to him and trying to understand what else can I do, right? And am I working on my potential? We have this accountability builder program, right, wherein you see whether you are working on your life priorities, top 3 priorities, right? Whether for next 90 days, are you planning for your goals and everything? I think all those theoretical things which we hear, this is the place where you can implement, right? Otherwise it will remain theoretical, and we don't want to make it theoretical, and at the end of the retirement we don't want to become fuse bulb, right? किसी को बनना है क्या fuse bulb? Anyone want to become fuse bulb? No one, right? You all are such a smart people. Sunday ko dopair ko we are sitting here, right? Many people might be sleeping, right? That's why they are not able to join sessions, right? But you are here, right? And there is a reason you are here, right? Somewhere you want to grow where you are today, right? So let's not be a fuse bulb. Just that is the only message that I wanted to give you through this story.